everyone. Long time no see. Okay, so I moved into uni. I'm speaking like lower because there's like other people in the block and I don't know what they're doing. But I moved into uni like 5 days ago and now I'm finished like unpacking and I've done most of my decor. Going to Dunelm tomorrow to buy a few bits, so like probably take you on the way, but you know, we move. But yeah, I'm just gonna give you a lovely little room tour. The title probably says that, but you know, a bit informative I am. But yeah, vibing, ready to go.
So as you walk in, here is my wardrobe. It's pretty normal wardrobe. Here's my headboard, which I have a load of plants on from IKEA, and my projector and my NutriBullet. And then this is my little shelf above my bed. My bedding is from Dunelm. Just thought I'd give you a nice close-up because I absolutely love my bedding. It's like a croc shiny material. Then I got this bin from Dunelm that has like just bits in it, and then these cupboards came with the room. Then I got my decanters and my tray from charity shops, and then all of my plants are from Dunelm. And then when you look up, there are some plants here and there. I think I got them from eBay. And so this is my window. It's pretty massive. It takes up like my whole room. My rug is from my friend, and then the kettle is from Tesco's, and so is the toaster, but the toaster's in the kitchen. My mirror is from Boots, and so the plants are from IKEA. And then that's my laptop. My plates are from Tesco's, and the cups are from Asda, and they were £1.50 for 6. My bathroom is right across from my bed, and then this is me with my radiator. Then I've got this rack. I think I got it from eBay. And then this is my shelf. And then that's my bath mat and my shower. Pretty decent sized shower, to be quite fair. And then I got this from eBay. It's just a hanging little shelf.
I'm going to be putting up another video quite soon about how I got into UAL. And like portfolios and stuff. But other than that, yeah. Nice little comfy space I got here. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Oh god, the makeup's not looking too great. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you a bit of insight into uni life, sketch house, UAL. We get a lanyard as well, which I'm gassed about, so you know, exciting. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you in a bit. Bye.